welcome to Mai's Table. Coming to you from, actually not Mai's Table, but my friend's table in California. I'm with my friend Mary in Yucca Valley, and today I wanted to show you how to make chicken long rice. It is a typical Hawaiian meal. It can be eaten by itself, or you can add all different kinds of varieties, but today we're just focusing on the chicken long rice. And it starts out with about 8 ounces of bean thread. It looks like this. And I put it in a bowl of water and I let that soak for at least 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. And this brand I get in Hawaii. I'm pretty sure you can find it in any Asian grocery market. It's family brand and it's 7.75 ounces of bean thread. So gonna get that soaking. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more water. Oops, because you want to have it fully covered. So we'll get that soaking. And then I have about 3 pounds of chicken. This is bone-in, skin-on thighs because it just makes for more flavor. And I will, once it's cooked, I'm gonna remove obviously the bones and the skin. So 3 pounds sounds like a lot, but with the skin and the bones removed, it's really not that much. And then I have a cup of dried shiitake mushrooms that are already been sliced. So this makes it easier. And I'm also going to put this cup of mushrooms in the same water, and I'm going to use this water to make the chicken long rice because I'm just adding flavor as I go. So I'm gonna dump this, I think that would probably be about 6 cups of water in here. And I have what you may think like is a lot of ginger, but I would say this is about 3 ounces, but you can see how big it is. I'm gonna use all of this ginger. I'm just gonna cut it in slices, and I'm gonna put it, once this is soaked for a while, and the noodles are soft and pliable, I'm gonna put it all in a pot with about a cup of shoyu and this ginger sliced up and the chicken. And the very last, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up a bunch of green onions, including the white parts, not the roots. I'm gonna cut that off and put it on the top so it looks really nice and fresh. So I'll show you what it looks like. Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick tip on an easy way and a safe way to peel ginger. It's to use a spoon instead of a knife, and you just bring it towards you and you peel the skin this way. I used to do it with a little paring knife, but sometimes I'd slip and I would cut my finger, or it can get a little bit dangerous. So this is a super easy way to do it. And if there's knobs on it like this, I just use the spoon to take the knobs off along with the skin. You could throw the ginger in the chicken long rice or whatever you're doing without peeling it, but I just like it this way. It's a little bit cleaner and it feels better to me. So a good tip for you. Okay, this is what it looks like after it's cooked for about an hour. As you can see, a lot of the liquid has been absorbed, and it will continue to absorb. If you need to, you can always add a little chicken stock. So at this point, I'm going to take the chicken out. I'm going to debone it and take off the skin and get rid of that, and then slice up the chicken. Okay, the chicken is all cooked and skinned and deboned, and I'm putting it back into the pot. And I just want to talk to you a minute about the ginger. So I'm in the mainland, and it looked like I put a lot of ginger in, but because the ginger here, fresh ginger, is hard to find, it really wasn't that strong. So I'm going to put a little bit more ginger in. So if you have fresh ginger, the amount that I showed you in the beginning is the right amount. But this ginger wasn't quite as fresh as I'm used to, so the strength of it wasn't as potent. So I'm mixing this all around. I'm going to add the green onions. And I'll give you a close-up shot here. And then of course I have to taste it for you too, so you know that it's really amazing and delicious. Yum-y. So good. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and by all means, please make this and let me know how it turned out for you. Till next time, take care. Aloha.